Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm sorry for looking like this. My face is naked, and so that can only mean one thing. That's right, we are doing a makeup routine. Yeah, we're doing my makeup routine. And so I got this cute little headband on that don't stay on my head. So we're gonna do a makeup routine because I haven't done one. I don't think I've ever done one ever. So that's what we're doing today. So let's get started. I go in for my primer with the Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. I need more. I am running out. So I have to squeeze this like a few times to really get it done. So I take that much. I do about 1 to 1.5 like squirts. And then we're just gonna rub it all on my face. Next I go in with the Stay Naked Weightless foundation. This is by Urban Decay. I am shade 20 in. And we take this and we take about 1.5 pumps of it. And then I just dot it all over my face. And then I take a brush just like this. I don't know, this is a Wet n Wild brush. And then I just blend it all on my face. So I just blend this all out. Really. My face is really dry. I need to start moisturizing my face. I don't really have a skincare routine. And I really need to start getting one. My face breaks out really easily. All I use is the Pharmacy Clean Bee face wash. That's all I really use. And it dries my face out really bad. And my face gets crusty. So after my face foundation is looking kind of good, you know, kind of blended out, I will go in with concealer. I am using the Magic Star Concealer. This is shade C5 by Jeffree Star. And I get it on my pant leg. And then I put it right here under my eyes. And then I take a little beauty blender and I blend it out. And then I'll put it on my chin, Cupid's bow, and on my forehead. And then I blend all that out. And then I will use the Luminous Translucent Powder by Jeffree Star Cosmetics because I ran out of my matte one. And I'll take it on another sponge. I use a sponge for my concealer and my powder so it doesn't like get in it. And I put that, I set my face with it everywhere I put my concealer. And next I'll go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in the shade Rosewood. And I will take it on a brush just like this. And this is a Moda brush. I'm guessing this is a Moda brush, that's what it says. And I will dip into that and start bronzing. And I'll put it on my nose. Really everywhere that can go without making me look pale. I'm already pale. And I'll put it on my forehead, on my temple area. So I don't look pale. See, I'm already looking better. I'm looking sun-kissed by the sun. And then I will take this thing off because I look stupid with it. And then I use the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. I use these two shades right here. This is Isla and Toasted. These two, I mix them and I put them on my nose. I really pat it on my nose, to be honest with you. And then I usually do highlight next, but now I do my eyebrows. So I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera because I can't do them all camera. I have to get real close up to them, so I'll be right back when my eyebrows are done. So now this is where I usually do something different. So I zoomed you guys up so you can see. I just recently started doing this. I used to do this all the time, but then I quit because I'm lazy. But now I'm doing it again. So I take concealer and, oh my god, I forgot to tell you. For my eyebrows, I use the e.l.f. Lock-On Eyeliner and Brow Cream in the shade Espresso. So I used to do this a long time ago, but then I quit because I got lazy. And so I used to underline my eyebrows after I like make them sharp after I put them on. So I'm using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and this is the shade Fair Rose because I used to put this on my face. And I'm a fair ass person. Sorry, I'm a fair person. And then I just take a brush just like this. It's like a little angled brush. Yeah. This is usually what I use to cut my crease with. And then I take some and I go, whoop, then I underline my eyebrows. And then I take a brush just like this. This is where I put my, I'll show you. I get a brush just like this, and then I'll blend it in. And I go like this. It's probably not what you're supposed to do, but this is what I do. And then I'll do the same on the other eye. And so that's how I do my eyebrows. So now I use that same brush that I used to like blend down the concealer, and I'm dipping into the PRX Raw Beauty Kristi palette, and I use this white called Lumos right here, and I just set my eye like translucent powder, but I just use white so I can really put down eye product. So now I'm gonna go do my eyes off camera because I give way too many tutorials, and this is not an eyeshadow tutorial, and this is one of my favorite parts of getting ready is putting on eyeshadow. So I'm gonna come back when I have my eyes done. So I'm sorry if the camera changed. I kind of hit it when I was moving my chair back, but I got my eyes done, and so I'm wearing the Lashes Wifey by Tarte. And now this is where I usually do my highlight. I'm taking the Peppermint Frost highlighting palette by Jeffree Star, and I usually dip into the Ugly Sweater shade, the shade right here. And I usually take this iconic London Prep Set and Glow, the Prep Set and Glow spray, and I usually spray my brush, this is my highlighting brush, with it. I dip into it and I put it on my nose. I'm using my viewfinder. I forgot my mirror. Right there, and then right through here. And right there. And I'll put it right here sometimes. And then I finish off with putting on lipstick. And so I am using the Kylie Jenner Charm, the velvet kind. And I'll put that on my lips. And then I usually set my face with setting spray, the Morphe setting spray, but I'm going to take my makeup off right after this. So yeah, this is my makeup routine. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Follow my TikTok and my Instagram. They are both Makeup by Kalia. And also I changed my channel name to Makeup by Kalia to make it all one. And so I hope you guys like that. I feel like it's all the same now. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.